Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know that how you can charge your smart mini devices like smartwatch, smart band or any type of earbuds or earphones. Then as you can see, this power banks, all the lights are blinking. That means it is charging in full power mode, full throttle mode, and that can damage your devices or your devices may burn out. Then what we have to do, first of all, like the video, subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, it mostly power banks has a button in the side, and when you press it two times continuously, 1 2, and it will start blinking 1 1 1 1 light. That means it's saying that this device is now in normal or mini device charging mode. Now you can easily charge these type of devices and they will never burn out. Hope you understand and know the fact that will be very beneficial for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.